We were doing October November 2022 paper 2 of mathematics syllabus D, and last time we solved question number 1. Today we are going to solve question number 2. Question number 1 was solved, and the link of that video I will give in the description. You can watch that video. Today we are going to solve question number 2. Question number 2 is about the statistics. This is about the mean and the and also about the cumulative frequency curve. Question is, macro grows two types of tomato plants, type A and type B. Macro is someone who grows two plants of tomato of type A and type B. These are two plants. One is of type A and second is type B. This is given here. He counts the number of tomatoes growing on each tomato plant, okay, of each type. The result for type A plants are shown in the table. Number of tomato on the plant and then the frequency. Number of tomatoes, 17 tomatoes on one plant of type A is 5. Number of plants who have where there are 18 tomatoes are 2, and number of plants where there are 19 tomatoes on each plant are 7, and plants with 20 plants are 3. 20 tomatoes are 3, plants with 21 tomatoes are 2, and number of plants with 22 tomatoes is 1. So question number 1 is, calculate the mean number of tomato per plant. This is a group data question. So in order to find the mean, we use the formula mean is equal to summation fx over summation f. Summation fx is the multiply each, this is x, this column is for x, okay, I write for you. This column is x actually, and this is f. So summation fx will multiply each. 17 into 5 will be summation fx of this one, and then 18 into 2, and then add them. This is summation fx. Summation f is sum of these frequency, okay. So here is summation fx means 17 into 5 plus 18 into 2 plus 19 into 7 plus 20 into 3 plus 21 into 2 plus 22 into 1. I did it in your for you already. Over summation f. Summation f is this row, sum of these numbers. So 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is summation f. I do it. 17 times 5 is 85. 18 times 2 is 36. 19 times 7 is 133. 20 times 3 is 60. 21 times 2 is 42. 22 times 1 is 22. I have to add them, divided by 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 20. So it comes out to be, when you add them, this comes out to be 30. A is 378 and divided by 20. When I do it by calculator, then 378 divided by 20 comes out to be 18.9. So mean number of tomatoes per plant is for type A is 18.9, and that's your answer. This 18.9 is the answer of part 1. Next is question number 2. Calculate the range. So I write 18.9 here. It gets 2 marks. Calculate range. Range is the maximum number of tomatoes per plant minus minimum number of tomatoes per plant. From the table, the maximum number of plants tomatoes per plant is 22. So I will do 22 minus 17. So range will be equal to 22 minus 17 is equal to 5. This is the range, so I get put 5 here. That's it. Now next is the mean number of tomatoes per plant for type B is 17.1. This is what significance for mean. Mean for type B is 17.1 and range is 8. So make two comments comparing the number of plants, tomatoes growing on type A and type B plants. Okay. The mean for type A was 18.9 and mean for type B is 17.1. So mean for type A is greater than mean for type B. That means that number of tomatoes per plants for type A is more than that of type B because it has a higher mean. So first comment I can write it like that type A has more tomatoes per plants as it has greater mean of 18.9 than the mean of type B, that is 17.1. First comment. Second comment is about range. Range for type A is 5 whereas type B is 8. So I say that the consistency is there. When some data has lower range, it means the data is more consistent. Since the range for type A is 5 and range for type B is 8, so the data for A is consistent. Though I say that since the range of A is smaller than range of type B, therefore number of tomatoes per plant for type A is more consistent. Okay, that's it. These are two comments. Next is Macro grows strawberries. He recorded the mass m grams of 120 of his strawberries. The frequency table is shown. This is also group data. The strawberries with mass greater than 5 and less than or equal to 10 grams is 15. 10 to 15 grams is 38. Number of strawberries with mass of 15 to 20 grams is 45, and number of strawberries with mass of 20 to 25 grams is 17, whereas number of strawberries with mass of 25 to 30 grams is 5. So we have to, question is draw the cumulative frequency curve. I have drawn it. So for cumulative frequency curves you have to work out the cumulative frequency. So I make another row for this to show the cumulative frequency. Now how to make the cumulative frequency? In order to get the cumulative frequency, I will start from 15. This is 15, and then for next I will add this 15 into 38. Then this answer will be added into 45. Like this. 15 will be added to 38 to get the cumulative frequency of this group, and then this 53 will be added to 45 because cumulative frequency gives the number of strawberries which are less than 15, because these both are 15, less than 15, so these are added. Number of strawberries whose mass is less than 20 gram is all of them, so we add them. And similarly this will be added to 17 to give this cumulative frequency for this table, and this is one comes out to 115 and so on, and then 115 will be added to 5 to get 120. 120 is the total number of strawberries, so last column of strawberries of the cumulative frequency should be equal to the total number of terms. So 15 plus 38 is 53. The cumulative frequency for 10 to 15 is 53. Cumulative frequency from for 15 to 20 is 53 plus 45 is 98, and similarly cumulative frequency for 20 to 25 is 98 plus 17, which comes out to be 115. Similarly, cumulative frequency for 25 to 30 is 120, as 150 plus 5 is 200. Now I draw it. I will draw these things. 15, 10, so 15 less than 10 grams. So I will mark 10 on the x-axis like that. here this is given 5 0 5 10 15 is marked here, and similarly this is the number of cumulative frequency. Now according to our table, the cumulative frequency for 5 to 10 is 15, but less than 5 is 0. So I will start 5 at 0, it's like that. 5 is 0, 5 to 10 is 15. So on 10 I will mark 15, roughly 15. And from 10 to 15, 10 to 15 it is 53. So from 10 to 15, 15 I will mark 53, like here. There's 15 and this is 53 almost. And from 15 to 20, 15 to 20 it is 98. So 15 to 20 it is 98 here, 98. And then 20 to 25, 20 to 25 is 115, 20 to 25 is here, this is 25, and 25 is 115, this is 115, and then 130 is 120. I will join all of them with free hand, so we get a cumulative frequency curve for this data. This is the cumulative frequency curve for this data. I show it for you. This is the cumulative frequency curve for this data. That's it. Next is macro use strawberries. Next, I enlarge it for you. Macro uses strawberry with mass greater than 21 grams. 21 grams is here. 21. This is here. So I will join this to this line to this line is with the on the paper. It was I use scale, a ruler to draw it, and then it cuts the, it is here, it is almost 103. So it is 103. So 21 is, it means 103 strawberries have mass less than or equal to 21, okay, grams. But macro use strawberry with mass greater than 21. So total are 120. 130 103 strawberries have mass less than 121. So strawberries more than 21 grams will be obviously 120 minus 103. So it comes with 17. So I have to find the percentage. Therefore, percentage will be equal to 17 over total is 120 into 100. So it comes out to be 14.166, which can be rounded off to 14.2. So answer is 14.2%. That's it. Percent is already given, no need to write here. It is already given percent, so 14.2 is the answer. That's it. So this is the question number 2 I solved for you. In next video we will solve question number 3, inshallah. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please do like it, share it, comment it, and if you have any query you can ask me in comments. See you in next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. It will give me an appreciation and courage to make more useful videos for you. So keep watching Believe Physics. See you in next video very soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.